Okay, so in this crystal problem, so when silver crystallizes, it forms face-centered cubic cells. The unit cell age length is 409 picometer. So calculate the density of the silver. So we know density is equals to mass over volume. So we can get the volume here because just what? Length times width times height. And here we could say we have 409 picometer. Okay, so we multiply it by itself, get the cube. So you will end up with what? 6.84 times 10 to the 7 cubic picometer. We all know. Okay, so for every 1 picometer, there's 1 times 10 to the negative 10 cubic centimeter. So if we're going to get the cube of that, so how many is that? 10 times 10 times 10. So we have here 30, negative 30. So if we're going to multiply it, you will end up with 6.84 times 10 to the negative 23 cubic centimeter. Okay. Now, in terms of the mass, so this is a face-centered cubic cell. So that means there's 4 atoms per unit cell. Okay. And then we multiply it with 107.9 grams per 1 mole. And per 1 mole, we have 6.022 times 10 to the 23 atoms. So you will end up with what? 7.17 times 10 to the negative 22 grams. Okay. So now that we have the mass and the volume, we can get the density. So 7.17 times 10 to the negative 22 grams divided by 6.84 times 10 to the negative 23 cubic centimeter. So this is more or less equals to 10.5 grams per cubic centimeter, which is the answer to this problem.